If you're looking for an ergonomic workhorse of a wireless keyboard mouse combo, then I have probably a really great solution for you, and that's this MA41. By the way, I got it for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but still my honest opinion, because I would never claim something which is not true. And so that's what we get. By the way, it comes also with this really nice cheat sheet here. That could be super helpful for the beginning. And so that's how it looks. You can see this absolutely awesome wave style here in the middle. It's also a full-size keyboard with everything, with all the arrows, with all the numbers, and a lot of special keys here, especially on the top. We have a lot of shortcuts here on top for volume, for media control, even a direct button for emojis, something I've never seen before. And what's absolutely awesome here, of course, that's this 3-layer cushion design. And we can not only see, but really feel this absolutely awesome cushion here from left to right. That makes it definitely much more comfortable to type. And typing is very quiet. I take it here a little bit closer and type here a lot, and yeah, I can tell you there's almost nothing to hear. I don't know if you really can hear that. And I type here really hard, there's almost nothing. Of course, here we are not talking about mechanical keyboard, but on the other side, it has quite some high water resistance, so you don't have to be worried about spills. What's awesome here is also in the back we have different height adjustments, so we can use it either flat. We have already 4 soft rubber feet for a really secure stand, and then we have a first position also with soft rubber feet, and also a second position also with this soft rubber feet on both of the sides. Absolutely awesome. We have the battery compartment on-off switch, but of course we need battery first, and of course also battery for the mouse. And in the mouse we have the receiver for both of these devices. That's also really nice, so we don't need 2 receivers. Mouse has a decent size and is also ergonomically shaped. It has even this beautiful pattern here on the inside, and also same thing here on the outside. Full size, ergonomic, all the buttons which we need, and a nice wheel with decent grip thanks to the coating. Mouse needs 1 AA battery, easy to open, easy to close. You also have this on-off switch here. Keyboard 2 times AAA batteries. The batteries are not included in the set. Now time to turn it on. Of course, works for pretty much all operating systems, Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, even Android, absolutely no problem. We have even some dedicated Windows and Mac modes here directly on the keys. And so now we can attach this dongle here directly into this USB-A port of this Windows 11 PC. And so it works right away. We don't have to wait for some confirmation or so. Yeah, I made the mouse pointer much larger so you can see how nicely this is working. Even here directly on the white plain desk. That's also very important. A lot of computer mice have problem directly on such a surface. This could be very problematic. For example, if you want to use that for presentations, you move to another room, you don't bring your mouse mat with you, and then the mouse is not working. So that's not the problem here. Absolutely fantastic, and I think it's nice and smooth. With the button here on top, we can adjust the DPI, I think in 4 different levels. We can see the difference here. So I'm pushing here and you can see huge difference, definitely reacting instantly. Yeah, and the typing really nice and smooth. And I would say it has even built-in anti-ghosting. So no matter which keys I press at the same time, it's still registering both of them. You can see I've done this many times. Also super important. And down here we have some indicator lights, for example, for the caps lock, num lock. Yeah, makes a really good impression. How easy, how comfortable to type, no doubt about that. The keycaps are easy to read and even fade resistant. Yes, I would say if you're looking for an ergonomic, wireless, wavy keyboard mouse set, then this is definitely one of the top choices, no question about that. It makes a really good impression. I couldn't find any real problems so far. I mean, of course, again, it's not a mechanical keyboard. There is no illumination, no background illumination, probably nothing really for gaming. But if you're already a little bit older, maybe first problems starting here in this area, feeling uncomfortable, definitely time to look into something like that. And so we're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this keyboard mouse set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.